Module 4. How big is HX and how many people in the market globally are doing HX roles today? When we first started researching HX in 2017, there were fewer than 50 people in 50 companies with HX roles or someone managing HX projects. Today, that number has grown exponentially, especially since 2020. And we see now that most of the Fortune 500 and most other companies, all sizes and industries, have someone responsible for HX, a total of 35,000 people in just 6 years. If we take all the disciplines connected with HX, people analytics, and agile, we see a total population today of over 130,000 people. These represent the fastest growing roles within HR. The challenge is that most of the people in HX roles started in the last 2 to 3 years, and most of them have no prior experience or training in human-centered design, analytics, or agile. They're coming first from other HR roles, such as HR generalist or COE head, from engagement, and more recently from DE&I and wellness roles, sometimes combining HX with diversity, equity, and inclusion and wellness. 90% also list no university degree or other certification, again in human-centered design, analytics, or agile. We don't see any in Scrum Master or Agile Coach certifications. By contrast, most people who are in people analytics roles have training in things like data science, statistics, modeling, machine learning, predictive analytics, text analytics, including university degrees. 80% of Agile people have prior training in Agile methodology and are certified as Agile coaches and Scrum Masters. Because the field has been there slightly longer. Now, how is it for people who are in CX and UX roles? If HX is the third wave, how are the first two waves doing in terms of size and growth? Here's our research shows that these roles have also grown exponentially. CX roles are growing faster than ever, and several recent publications have cited them as top growth engines, with nearly 90% of companies having an executive level CX position. Similarly, UX and UI roles have grown rapidly, now over 250,000 people. Customer analytics roles are even larger. A study shown on the right predicted in 2015 that we would have 1 million people in UX and CX roles with exponential growth into the future. As you can see, this is a great opportunity to learn important new tools, and HX has a lot of catching up to do. This is why it is good that you are here learning and becoming part of this new way of working. Next up, Module 5. What are the foundational concepts I need to know? And what is the HX Playbook and Toolkit?